Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound issue on your Samsung phone. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Make sure your phone isn't on mute or vibrate mode. Tap the sound icon until it's set to sound. Then increase the media volume using the volume slider. If you still don't hear any sound, open the Settings app. Tap Connections, then select Bluetooth. If your phone is connected to wireless earbuds, headphones, or a Bluetooth speaker, turn Bluetooth off and test your phone's speaker again. Next, go back to Settings and tap Sounds and Vibration. Ensure sound is selected instead of mute or vibrate. Then tap Volume. Increase the volume for media, ringtone, notifications, and system to make sure none of them are tuned all the way down. You can also tap System Sound to verify that your phone's system sounds are enabled. After making these changes, play a video or song to check if the sound is working. If the problem continues, simply restart your Samsung phone, as this can often resolve temporary software glitches. And that's it. That's how you can fix the no sound issue on your Samsung phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.